guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be playing some natural disaster survival. Bleh. No one's stopping me because I'm Emily and I'm a baddie, so I can do just whatever I want. Also, if you don't subscribe, then I'm telling my mom that you never subscribed. Okay. Why are y'all all running? Are y'all stupid or something? Go die. Also, if you don't know, actually, I'm 17. I'm not 7. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to my other side. I'm actually 17. So I basically can just do whatever I want. I drive a Lambo. I can just do whatever I want. My mom is. My parents are an octillionaire. We have $55 octillion. And so, we are very rich. But she never gives me Robux. I don't like her. So, please subscribe, or my mom will sue you. And so, let's go play some games. Yeah, whoa. Well, we are playing a game, natural disaster survival. What do I say? So, oh my God, I'm gonna die! No! Stuffy nose. Whoa! Look at that freaking Coke. Okay, so the tsunami's gone. So, yay! I'm gonna play it awkward. Also have a time of it's really good. Just like my mom. Because she's a millionaire. My mom's a famous actor. Her name is Ariana Grande. Was I a pro? Also, I'm the best singer in the world, and I love the turtle because I'm dead. Yeah. That's really cool. Wait, where's my video? Okay, just gonna go up to the second floor, and then I will be able to. Mother trucker. I said trucker. No! It's gonna be a good game. Oh, well, okay. Oh my God, my building! Oh my God, I'm gonna sue you. Gone for you, boy. I'm dancing! I'm dancing! Ooh. Wait, what? What? Oh my god. Let's go quick. Stop. Okay. Yay. I wonder what it is. I hope it's something not like, oh my god. Oh my god. Look how big I can get. Well, and that's my echo. That's my first person view. What? Field of view. No! Hold on. Mommy. I hope it's not an earthquake, because that would suck. Baller. So I'm gonna go and I hope it's not. I wonder, please, no earthquake. I'm just a little boy. Wait, I'm a girl. I'm just a little girl. I'm only 7. But my parents are octillionaires, so I have a lot of money. I have more money. Oh god. Okay. Again, what I was saying, I have more money than Elon Musk. What the? Oh my, no, I better get down. I better get it. No. I love this. This is gonna look amazing to my collection. Hi, what you doing? The tower over there looks good. Oh my gosh, don't scare me! Oh my god! No. If I could just stay on the tower, I would make it. Oh my god. Oh, never mind. Nope. I'll just have to play my ocarina again. Is that good? I think that's good. I don't know. Hello. How much time will my video? Well, I should reveal who I really am.
Hello, it's me, Alahan. I hope you like that video, and, well, so this video is basically about a girl named Emily that just flexes herself while playing Natural Disaster, getting completely obliterated. But I hope you enjoyed that video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I'll keep on posting these videos. I am starting to do some more Felicia and Patricia videos with my voice changer and my new microphone. So I can basically just do this now. So, yeah. Basically, well, just subscribe. See ya.
Don't subscribe to him, he's stupid. Apple.